Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve which is largest among three. First is cube root of 5, then 6 root 24, then 12 root 624. So let's start with the today's video solution. So as we know the rule, that is n under root a, we can write it as a power 1 by n. So we are going to use and apply this rule in 3's3. So we can write it as 5 power 1 by 3, 24 power 1 by 6, and 624 power 1 by 12. Now, to remove the number power in terms of fraction, we can take the denominators LCM. So our denominators are 3, 6, and 12. So the LCM, least common multiple, or LCD, least common denominator of 3, 6, and 12 is 12. So we are going to multiply it with the power 12. Same with 24 power 1 by 6 power 12. And same with 624 power 1 by 12 power 12. Now we know the exponent rule, that is x power m power n is equals to x power mn. So we can write it as 5 power 12 by 3 and this as 12 by 6 and this as 624 power 12 by 12. So 5 power 4 and here 24 power 2 and here 624 power 1. So 5 power 4 we can write it as 625 and here 24 square is 576 and 624. So the largest is 625. So we can say that cube root of 5 is the largest. I hope it's clear and easy to find. If you find it useful, please give a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.